All right, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Clarissa Rodriguez, Chair of the New York State Workers' Compensation Board, and I now have the honor of calling the 972nd meeting of the board to order. Madam Secretary, will you please call attendance?
Vice Chair Foster.
Here.
Board Member Kabraki.
Here.
Board Member Higgins.
Here.
Board Member Logan.
Here.
Board Member Williams.
Here.
Board Member Hall.
Here.
Board Member Ossory.
Here.
Board Member Crane.
Here.
Board Member Stasko.
Here.
Board Member Lavelle.
Here.
Chair, all members are present today.
Okay, thank you. Agenda item number 1, approval of the November 20, 2018 meeting minutes. You have all received a copy of the November meeting minutes to review. Are there any questions or need for discussion?
We'll give it a shot.
Okay, second, thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I'm also yes, that motion is passed. Thank you. Agenda item number 2, Office of General Counsel's Departmental Report. General Counsel David Wertheim will now present the statistical and informational report for November.
Good morning, Chair, Vice Chair, Board members. Here is a statistical report of decisions issued by the Board's 3 issue resolution divisions for the month of November 2018. In the Adjudication Division, there were 20,059 hearings held, 12,465 cases were fully resolved at that hearing, and 607 reserved decisions were issued. There were 1,664 approved Section 32 waiver agreements, 1,626 by hearing, and 316 by desk decision. In the Administrative Review Division, 1,055 applications for administrative review were received, 1,063 applications were processed to completion, leaving an inventory of 3,919 pending applications, with 93% of appeals fully completed within 6 months of the application date. In full board review, 191 applications were received, 136 applications were processed, leaving an inventory of 352 pending applications. This concludes my report. Of course, I would take any questions. Thank you.
Okay, are there any questions or need for discussion? May I have a motion to accept?
Motion to accept.
Okay, second, thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I'm also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you. Licensing applications. Elizabeth Lott of the Office of General Counsel will now present any licensing applications.
Good morning, Chair.
Good morning.
Vice Chair, board members, guests. You have before you the recommendations from the assigned board panels regarding the license applications listed in Part 3 of today's agenda. The board panel recommendations are as follows. Section 24A, Arthur Wilcox 2-year renewal. Section 53B, Northeast Association Management, Inc., 3-year renewal. Risk Management Planning Group, Inc., 2-year renewal. I present the recommendations of the assigned board panels to the full board for your consideration.
Thank you. Are there any questions? Motion? Okay,
Second.
thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I'm also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you, Elizabeth. Agenda item number 4, legal appeals. General Counsel David Wertheim will now present the recommendations concerning decisions by the Appellate Division.
Thank you again, Chair. There are 11 cases listed in item 4 of your agenda, reflecting decisions issued by the Appellate Division 3rd Department regarding workers' compensation claims. Items 4A through 4J were all decided since the time of the last board meeting, with 7 affirmances, 2 reversals, and 1 modification. And item 4K, matter of Johnson versus Alltown Central Transportation, a reversal was decided on October 25th, 2018. It is the recommendation of Office of General Counsel that all of the decisions of the court be adopted as the decisions of the board.
Move to accept the recommendation.
Thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I'm also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you, David. Agenda item number 5, mandatory full board review. 5A, New York City Transit Authority, case number G2061395. Is there a motion with respect to 5A on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I would move that the majority opinion be adopted this evening.
Is there a second?
Second.
Okay. Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay. In light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Osling.
Yes.
Board Member Logan.
Yes.
Board Member Higgins.
No.
Board Member Hall.
Yes.
Board Member Williams.
Yes.
Board Member Crane.
Yes.
Board Member Petracki.
Yes.
Board Member Lavelle.
No.
Board Member Stasko.
Yes.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 9-2.
Thank you. 5B, A Real Advantage Incorporated, case number G1919292. Is there a motion with respect to 5B on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the opinion of the dissent be adopted as the decision of the full board.
Is there a second?
Second.
Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes.
In light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Hall.
No.
Board Member Stasko.
No.
Board Member Crane.
Yes.
Board Member Osling.
No.
Board Member Lavelle.
Yes.
Board Member Logan.
Yes.
Board Member Higgins.
Yes.
Board Member Petracki.
No.
Board Member Williams.
Yes.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 7-4.
Thank you. 5C, Senior Care EMS, case number G1333126. Is there a motion with respect to 5C on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Second.
Thank you. Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes.
Yes. In light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Lavelle.
No.
Board Member Hall.
Yes.
Board Member Petracki.
Yes.
Board Member Osling.
Yes.
Board Member Logan.
No.
Board Member Higgins.
Yes.
Board Member Stasko.
Yes.
Board Member Williams.
No.
Board Member Crane.
No.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 7-4.
Thank you. 5D, Southside Hospital, case number G0444200. Is there a motion with respect to 5D on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Is there a second?
Second.
Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes.
Okay, in light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Petracki.
Yes.
Board Member Logan.
No.
Board Member Lavelle.
No.
Board Member Williams.
No.
Board Member Higgins.
Yes.
Board Member Stasko.
Yes.
Board Member Hall.
Yes.
Board Member Crane.
No.
Board Member Osling.
Yes.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 7-4.
Okay, thank you. 5E, Docks, Sing Sing Correctional Facility. Case number G1670228. Is there a motion with respect to 5E on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Is there a second?
Second.
Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes.
Okay. In light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Lavelle.
No.
Board Member Stasko.
Yes.
Board Member Osling.
Yes.
Board Member Hall.
Yes.
Board Member Crane.
Yes.
Board Member Petracki.
Yes.
Board Member Logan.
Yes.
Board Member Higgins.
No.
Board Member Williams.
No.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 8-3.
Okay. 5F, Planetary Utility, case number 70312120. Is there a motion with respect to 5F on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Is there a second? Thank you. Are there any recusals in this matter? Any opposition to the motion? No? Okay, seeing and hearing no opposition, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed, thank you. 5G, Claire Hedusco, case numbers 40708094 and 40705174. This case is being held over to the next meeting for further consideration. 5H, LK Bennett Enterprises LLC, case number G1318308. Is there a motion with respect to 5H on the agenda?
Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Second.
Okay. Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion? Seeing and hearing no opposition, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed, thank you. 5I, Westminster Cracker Company Incorporated, G1612975. Is there a motion with respect to 5I on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the opinion of the majority be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Is there a second? Thank you. Are there any recusals in this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes.
Thank you. In light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Williams.
Yes.
Board Member Lavelle.
Yes.
Board Member Hall.
Yes.
Board Member Crane.
Yes.
Board Member Petracchi.
Yes.
Board Member Logan.
Yes.
Board Member Stasko.
Yes.
Board Member Higgins.
Yes.
Board Member Osily.
No.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 10-1.
Thank you. 5J, Good Samaritan Hospital, case number G0626751. Is there a motion with respect to 5J on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Is there a second?
Second.
Are there any recusals from this matter? Is there any opposition to the motion? Okay, seeing and hearing no opposition, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed, thank you. And finally, 5K, Reynolds Metals, case number G0204695. Is there a motion with respect to 5K on the agenda?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that the majority opinion be adopted as the opinion of the full board.
Is there a second? Thank you. Are there any recusals from this matter?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, recusal duly noted. Is there any opposition to the motion?
Yes.
In light of the opposition, I call upon the secretary for a roll call vote.
Board Member Hall. Yes. Board Member Stasko.
Yes.
Board Member Crane.
Yes.
Board Member Osily.
Yes.
Board Member Lavelle.
No.
Board Member Higgins.
Yes.
Board Member Petracchi.
Yes.
Board Member Williams.
Yes.
Vice Chair Foster.
Yes.
Chair,
Yes.
that motion is carried 9-1.
Thank you. Agenda item number 6, discretionary for full board review. I turn this portion of the agenda over to Vice Chair Foster.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the cases listed in item 6 on your agenda, it's been recommended that full board be granted. Those cases are 6A, item number G1264973, matter of Department of Westchester, and 6B, item number 09809166, matter of New York City Housing Authority. I move to refer the cases back to the respective panels for further consideration.
Second.
Thank you. Are there any recusals in either of these matters?
Yes, Madam Chair.
With regards to
6B.
6B? Thank you so much. Is there any opposition to the motion? Okay, seeing no opposition, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed, thank you. Agenda item number 7, before we adjourn, I just want to wish everyone a very happy and healthy holiday season and very prosperous new year. Is there any other business? Yes.
Yes, Madam Chair. On Friday, November the 30th, there was an award ceremony in the Buffalo Regional Office of the Workers' Comp Board. Chair Clarissa Rodriguez at that ceremony conveyed a very strong message of gratitude and respect and support for the employees who were being honored and those who had come to honor their coworkers. It was also attended by board members Sam Williams and Lauren Logan. The reason I bring it up is because I was so impressed by how we were treated and how the ceremony came off. After the formal ceremony, I had an informal conversation with Michelle Hirsch, who runs the Buffalo office. And she told me that because of the program that the board has that distributes work evenly across the organization, that has saved as many as 10 to 15 jobs in Buffalo. And I really appreciate that. I wanted to bring it up today because that was how the program was designed, and that is how the program is working, and that's a great thing. Also, at that visit, I was a little early, so we're all obsessed with our queues, so I asked for a place to sit and work on my queue, and I was placed next to an examiner. So without meaning, I eavesdropped on a cold call that came in from the field to that examiner. And I have to say, listening, I only could hear one end of the conversation, but it became very clear that the caller was very stressed out about his claim, and that she had a hard job to calm him down, but she did. She said to him, "Sir, I have everything in front of me. You don't have to run to your car and get the paper. I have it in front of me. I'm here to help you." So I listened to the whole conversation. I have to say I was very, very proud of that examiner. I don't have her name or anything that would identify her, but I thought to myself, I know in my heart that this is the kind of work that goes on across the board. And I say that in appreciation for the work that the examiners are doing out there in the field. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your comments. I echo them entirely. We do great work here. And with that, I will adjourn the meeting. May I have a motion? Second, thank you. All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, all opposed? I am also a yes, that motion is passed. Thank you.